So let's create. How can we create this model in Solidworks? Here we will use hole wizard for the create these holes. Here we will use, this one is countersink and this one is counter bore hole, and it is the cut feature here. So now you can see how can we create this. Let's select a plane here, that is top plane. Click on this plane and click on the sketch, and now click on the center rectangle tool here. If it's not visible here, you can click on the arrow front of this and then click on the second center rectangle. After clicking on this, create a center rectangle. Okay, then select this line and press the shift, then select this and make it equal. Okay, now give the dimension. Click on this line and enter 150 at this side. Now click on the flat tool in the command manager and make a window here. Yes, and we can give the fillet radius 20. Okay, for features tab, click on the extrude boss base. Enter 100, 1 and then 20. Okay, now here we have to create some holes by the help of the hole wizard. So click on the hole wizard tool in the command manager, and then you will see in the left some properties. So we will create here countersink hole. Second one is countersink. Click on this. Downward, and here we will enter ANSI metric, and in the second option by default will be this, and third one we will here use M10 and fit will be normal, and here we will use throw all option. Now click on the position and click on this surface top, and then you can move the cursor to the circumference and you will see here a center point, same as you can give to all the 4 circles position like that. Okay, now click on this OK tool, OK button, Control 7 for the isometric view, and then again we have to create here not countersink, counter hole create. Click on this hole wizard, now click on this first option counter bore. Some options will be by default same, and now here we will size 30 and fit will be normal. Here we will give some parameters, so click on this checkbox, so custom sizing. Here we will enter 50. Second one will be 55. Third one will be 15. Now click on this position, click on the top, and then click on it. Okay. Now you can see our model is created and some pictures is left here. So now we have to click on this face, click on this sketch. So here we will create cut, click on this rectangle, click on the smart dimension tool. This will be 20 and this one also will be 20. Give the relation to this point, to this origin, vertical. Now give this dimension, which one will be 60. Click on the features, extrude. Sorry, this will be extrude cut. Click on the extrude cut. Enter here 12. Okay. Now click on this chamfer. And we will enter here 12. So click all four side edges. Okay. So after clicking on this, we will select extrude cut 1 and chamfer 1. Then we will create it remaining sides by the circular pattern. Click on the circular pattern tool and direction will be select this circular edge and the instances will be here 4. Now you can see the preview here in yellow color. Click on the OK. Okay. So here we will remove this chamfer. Now we can create this and now we can give again chamfer to these all edges. Chamfer was not patterned due to some issues here. Now select one by one all these edges. If in your case it's can pattern, you can check. Now you can see we select all the edges here. Click on the OK and click on the Control 7 for the isometric. Drag this right side. So if you like this video, you can check out other same like that videos here on our channel, and let's meet in next video. Thanks.